हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। एक नई सोच और एक नई दिशा के साथ। नंबर ऑफ कोविड पेशेंट्स रिपोर्टेड हैव रिड्यूस्ड। वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव काफी बढ़िया चल रहा है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस और रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार एक उम्मीद लेकर आया है कि होपफुली वी शैल बी सून फ्री फ्रॉम द फियर ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी एंड लॉकडाउन्स and be protected to face things quite well in future. Last video we discussed about NFOs and ETFs, and today we will discuss and understand what do these advertisements about Grow app and ET Money app actually mean. So mutual fund distributors are the ones जो रिसर्च करते हैं और आपको एडवाइस करते हैं कि कौन से फंड्स आपके गोल के हिसाब से सही रहेंगे। आपके रिस्क एपेटाइट को समझकर ही वो आपको लार्ज कैप या ब्लू चिप फंड्स बताएंगे, और दे में रिकमेंड एग्रेसिव फंड्स डिपेंडिंग टोटली अपॉन योर फाइनेंशियल गोल्स। Besides, most of the mutual fund advisor do not charge any fees to recommend you funds, जबकि recommendation comes from a good homework and not just by Google search. Mutual fund advisors or financial planners also give you end-to-end services and handles all the tedious paperwork if you get stuck up in some online or offline process. So the plan that you invest in through these AMFI registered consultants earns them a commission of 0.2 to 1% of your investment, which is included in the expense of mutual funds, and so indirectly you are paying for it. So for example, if you are investing 20,000 per month, your advisor is earning anywhere between rupees 40 to rupees 200 on those investments. These investments are called regular or retail investments. अब आप इमीडिएटली कैलकुलेट मत करिए कि आपका SIP 50,000 पर मंथ जा रहा है तो आपका एडवाइजर उससे कितना कमा रहा है। जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि ही इज हैंडलिंग योर रिडम्पशंस, ही इज मॉनिटरिंग योर फंड्स, ही इज सेंडिंग यू स्टेटमेंट्स as and when needed. He is advising you after great research for such a small incentive. And yes, regular plans can also be managed online. Now let's understand what are direct plans. Apps like Grow, Zerodha, ET Money, Paytm app offers investment services totally free. That means no expense is indirectly paid by you if you invest through these apps. ये तो बढ़िया है। सिर्फ KYC registration आपको खुद करना है, so it's definitely a bit challenging for a non-tech savvy और a very very busy person. वो शायद कभी वक्त निकाल ही नहीं पाएगा to upload different documents. In case your Aadhaar is not linked with your phone number, आपको कुछ documents physically भी submit करने जाना पड़ेगा. These apps are very trending with millennials these days and they are undoubtedly quite good too. However, most of the apps offer generalized investment services and recommendations and not customized as per your risk appetite or your school of thoughts, just as your consultant does it for you. In many of these apps, the returns are highlighted for maximum 3 years and not since inception, which may not give you the right clarity or right picture, especially in bullish or bearish markets. Most of the schemes are promoted by owners or sponsors of the app, so in many cases recommendations are biased. Some of the apps also scans your text messages in your phone to have an idea of your personal financial life. So definitely these apps are user friendly and reliable, but it's not recommended if you rely on your friends to select mutual fund schemes for your money to grow. Also, many Indians invest less than 10,000 per month in mutual funds. So take a call if an indirect expense of 20 rupees per month is worth for all the add-on end-to-end services and expertise of your consultant. If you are yourself an expert, then definitely you must go for direct investments. But आजकल ये टीवी में ad बहुत चल रही है of lately. You can earn rupees 25 lakhs more by investing in direct plans. This advertisement is definitely a very over exaggerated marketing. Don't fall for it. आजकल मार्केट्स बुलंदियां छू रहा है एंड बिलीव मी आई गेट एटलीस्ट 20 इंक्वायरीज डेली only for mutual fund investments. In fact, in last 1 year, mutual fund industry saw 72 lakh new folios thanks to reducing fixed deposit rates and advertisement which showcased mutual fund as very short term investment. वो एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट है ना, आप 100 रुपए से भी निवेश कर सकते हैं. एंड इंडियन मेंटालिटी इज लाइक, ओ वाओ, इतना कम इन्वेस्टमेंट, वो भी इतने शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए. नाउ जस्ट calculate 100 rupees per month. If it grows at 15% also, which is very very difficult, it will give you only 23,000 in 3 years time. I don't understand कि कौन सा financial goal इस amount से achieve हो जाएगा. What I mean to say is mutual funds are an all season investment tool only if you stay invested for more than a decade. But yes, अगर आप लमसम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आइडियली इन्वेस्ट व्हेन मार्केट इज बेरिश, बट फॉर SIPs every time is good time. As with market fluctuations, you will get lesser or more units every month and will give you money cost averaging. The more market volatility a SIP goes through, better is its growth. But as said before, mutual funds are not for short term investment. It needs time to grow. Now, which is the best mutual fund totally depends on your risk appetite, your time frame and your investment. अपने consultant से advice लें और connect with us on our email ID for queries and further discussion. Next video में we will discuss how is mutual fund better than any savings plan. So please subscribe my channel to stay tuned and informed. हमारा aim सिर्फ इतना है कि आप अपने investments को बेहतर समझें. त्योहारों में खर्चा बढ़ जाता है, बट रिमेंबर नॉट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर सेविंग्स नॉर ऑन योर सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. मास्क पहने रहें, गेट योर सेल्फ वैक्सीनेटेड. प्लीज डू नॉट वेट फॉर मॉडर्ना और फाइजर टू कम टू इंडियन मार्केट्स. स्वस्थ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें.